In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage alerts in Thinkorswim desktop. First, let's start by opening the Thinkorswim application. As you launch it, you will see a sleek interface that is both user-friendly and packed with features. This is where all the magic happens for your trading. Once you're in, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout. You'll notice various tabs and menus on the top of your screen. This visual guide helps you navigate through the platform efficiently. Being comfortable with the interface is essential as it will allow you to find your way around quickly. Next, click on the Market Watch tab, then navigate to Alerts. This section is crucial as it is where you will manage all the alerts related to your trades. On the screen, you will see options related to alerts, including options to create new alerts or modify existing ones. Clicking on this tab opens up a world of possibilities for tracking market movements. Alerts help you stay informed about price changes, ensuring you never miss an important trading opportunity. Now, enter the symbol for the stock or asset whose alerts you want to manage. As you type, the system will automatically suggest symbols that match your input. This feature makes it easier to find the exact asset you are interested in. It's important to ensure you are tracking the correct symbol, as this will directly impact the alerts you receive. Once you've entered the symbol, the platform will prepare to display all relevant alerts associated with it. With the symbol entered, you can now view your existing alerts in the alert book. This section will show you a list of alerts you've set up previously. You might see different alerts with various conditions attached to them. It's a good idea to review these alerts periodically. Keeping track of your existing alerts ensures you can make timely decisions based on market movements. You'll have a clear idea of what's currently set up and how it relates to your trading strategy. Next, select an alert from the list to edit, deactivate, or delete it. When you click on an alert, options will appear that allow you to modify its parameters. This could mean changing the price level at which you want to be notified or adjusting the conditions for the alert. Managing these alerts is essential for tailoring your trading experience to fit your needs. Whether you want to deactivate a redundant alert or edit one to reflect new market conditions, this step is vital. To create a new alert, select a price or condition that you wish to track. After making your selection, configure the alert settings to specify how you want to be notified. You can choose parameters like the alert name, the specific price point, and the conditions under which you'd like to receive notifications. Once everything is set, click on Create. This action ensures your new alert is now active and will notify you under the specified conditions. To manage how alerts are delivered, go to Setup, then Application Settings, and select Notifications. Here you can configure whether you prefer to be alerted by email, text message, sound, or even mobile push notifications. This customization is important because it allows you to receive alerts in the manner that is most convenient for you. Tailoring your notification settings will help ensure you never miss an important update. By following these steps, you can efficiently manage alerts in Thinkorswim desktop. This will keep you informed and ready to make quick trading decisions. Remember, having your alerts set up correctly is crucial for effective trading. Thank you for watching and happy trading.